Welcome to Weekend Adventures with Chuck and Kim. Today finds us on the trail to Old Man's Cave, located in Hocking Hills State Park in Logan, Ohio. Our first stop will be Devil's Bathtub.
You're looking at Devil's Bathtub. Legend has it that when you pull the plug, the drain goes straight to hell.
Continuing down the trail, you can see some relaxing water and some people hanging out by it on an extremely hot summer day. Zeke, the trail dog, is with us. He likes to hike, and we love to take him. Look at that beautiful stone bridge. Please don't leave the trail. Habitat restoration is real. Don't destroy it for future generations. See the A-frame bridge in the top and the floating concrete bridge that goes under it? Here we are at Old Man's Cave.